Hi guys, my name is Day and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own waterproof stickers at home using an inkjet printer. And also because Lechonito asked me to make stickers for him, so we're gonna make stickers. So let's go! Okay, so here are the materials I'll be using today. This is the iTech vinyl sticker paper and I have the glossy type. It says use pigment ink for better results, but if your inkjet printer uses dye ink, that works too. This vinyl sticker is durable and you can't just tear it like regular sticker paper, which is basically photo paper with adhesive, and the sheet itself is already waterproof, but the ink we print on it isn't. So to make our stickers fully waterproof, we'll apply this cold laminating film. So I'm using this one from Quaff, but any brand will do. Just look for cold laminating film, or sometimes it's called photo top. So this will protect your stickers from scratches and makes the ink waterproof. And they come in different finishes like glossy, matte, and holographic. So today I'm using my favorite, which is matte, and it gives the stickers a premium feel. So when you peel the backing, it looks like thick adhesive tape and it is very sticky, so once it's on your vinyl sticker, you can peel it off or reposition it. And the good thing is, you don't need a laminating machine to apply this. If you can find cold laminating films in your area, you can also use calling card laminating film instead, but this one needs a laminating machine to apply. And it is super thin, just 30 microns, and it has two layers like a pouch. So you place your sticker inside, then laminate it. You can cut it in half too, since you only need to cover the top side of the sticker. And here's my inkjet printer, the Epson L120. I've had it since 2017 and surprisingly it still works okay. He's like my little sticker buddy, helping me print stickers up to this day. So now let's start making stickers. So here are my designs. These are specially requested by none other than Lechonito. I usually use Photoshop to create my layout, but today I'm using WPS Office because it's more simpler and it's easier to use. So I just drag my designs onto the blank page and scale them down. I don't really measure, I just eyeball the sizes. Then I duplicate and fill the page to make the most out of one sheet. And now it's ready to print. So I set the print quality to the highest so it prints slowly, but that helps to avoid those annoying lines. And it takes around 2 minutes, so while we wait, Lechonito will now perform a little dance. And it's done. So here's the printed sticker. It looks so vibrant and I love how it turned out, except for the mess at the bottom because my printer is so old and he does this sometimes. Now let's make our sticker fully waterproof by applying the cold laminating film. So first I cut a little piece of the edge of the backing to make it easier to apply. Then I press the film gently onto the top of the sticker. Using a squeegee, I slowly press down the rest of the film while peeling the back bit by bit. So be very careful because if you go too fast, bubbles will form and you won't be able to reposition it once it sticks. So I tried to show how to do it properly, but I guess I wasn't careful enough and now I've got bubbles. So let this be your reminder to take your time when applying the cold laminating film. So now I'm cutting the rest by hand and it takes a while, so I have to be extra careful not to waste any more stickers. So Lechonito was supposed to help me cut stickers, but he doesn't know how to use scissors, so I'm doing it all by myself, and that's fine because I really enjoy making stickers. So here's the final product. Here's our waterproof sticker. The colors still look vibrant after applying the cold laminating film, and isn't it cute? I love this one because, I mean, who would love Lechonito? And here's how it looks with glossy cold laminating film. As you can see, it is even more vibrant and the blacks are darker and it's really glossy. And here's one with the holographic film. As you can see, it is really cool with the broken glass effect and it's just beautiful. So these stickers turned out great and I can't wait to use them. So out of all the finishes, matte is still my favorite because it made my sticker feel premium and I just love the texture. Now I'll show you how to waterproof your stickers using the calling card laminating film. So I set my laminating machine to 120 degrees just like the packaging says. So always check the instructions so you don't burn or melt the film. Then I put the sticker inside the pouch. You only need one layer but for today I'm using the whole pouch just to show you. Then I feed it into the laminator. So here's the result. It is very glossy and vibrant, and since I used the full pouch, it also laminated the back of the sticker, so when you do yours, just use one layer. So if you're deciding which one to use, whether cold or hot laminating film, well, it depends on where you plan to use the stickers. So cold laminated stickers are great for flat surfaces like laptops, sketchbooks, because they're a bit thick, so if you put them on objects with curved surfaces, the edges of the sticker might come off. And hot laminated stickers are thinner, so they're better for round objects like tumblers or mugs. And now we're gonna test if our stickers are really waterproof. So I'm running water over the sticker and rubbing it gently. And as you can see, the ink doesn't come off, so the laminating film is doing its job and the sticker still looks perfect. And that's it for today, and I think Lechonito is very happy because he got his own stickers. So thank you guys so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you later!